Who's this? Who's this one?
What beautiful pictures, Antonio.
It's a mouse. Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, thanks.
It's a little mouse. He's sitting on a rock.
That is beautiful. That's my phone.
Who's this one?
It's
He's
a
an owl.
owl.
He wants to
That's
eat the mouse.
right.
This is claws. He wants to get the mouse. Claws.
This mouse running away.
Someone cleaned my phone? Yeah.
Oh, it got flushed. Does that count?
Very clean.
Wow, look at that lion. Look at all the lion's little cubs. Little lions.
That is a lovely book. Okay, thank you, Brady.